Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. If you ask me my favorite chicken dish, it has to be hands down the tandoori chicken. Conventionally made in a tandoor oven, it requires less oil as compared to grilling in an OTG or microwave oven. Now an air fryer helps simulate the same kind of environment by making use of concentrated hot air and a fan to give the perfect succulent and tasty tandoori chicken. So let's get started. I've taken about 850 grams of chicken drumsticks and thighs, which make the best choice as compared to the breast pieces. You can see that I've made deep gashes for the tandoori masala to creep in really well. Let me tell you that I've already brined this chicken with about 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm gonna add some homemade curd. You may use hung curd or yogurt instead. Let's add some ginger garlic paste. There goes some red chili powder. Remember, the redder it is, more is the spice factor and the visual appeal. Adding some turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, less than half a tablespoon of coriander powder, some black pepper powder to add to the spiciness, Now I prefer adding roughly minced curry leaves for the characteristic aroma and depth of flavor here. You can also skip or replace this with kasuri methi instead. Next comes the lime juice, which is a very important part of the marination. Adding some salt according to how much salt I've already added. Let's give it a good mix with the hand. Make sure that the masala is rubbed well into the gashes also. Alright, so if you want the typical vibrant red color for your tandoori chicken, you may add food color. However, I prefer adding dehydrated organic beetroot powder for this if I like. It's flavorless by the way, and the link to the product is in the description. Now that we have finished marinating, let's refrigerate this for at least 1 hour. Based on your air fryer, preheat to at least 160 degrees Celsius for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Then brush the base of the basket with a little bit of oil. This is more about preventing the chicken from sticking to the base. Now carefully place the pieces of chicken inside based on their size. Time to put them in the air fryer. Since these drumsticks are relatively tender and cook fast, air frying at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes for one side is enough. Alright, so the cooking is done and they have turned out like this. And for more charring, I'll flip and air fry for another 5 minutes. Okay, so while my remaining chicken pieces are getting air fried, here's a platter of totally delicious, juicy and mouth-watering tandoori chicken. And before I indulge in this food coma, I'll squeeze some fresh lemon juice on this. Easy and tasty is an understatement, isn't it? Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts and queries in the comments. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'd love to catch up with you on Instagram and on my website as well. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.